I'm excited to share with you today my favorite childhood soup, which is Vietnamese macaroni soup with pork spare ribs. So we're going to prepare our ingredients for the broth, which consists of daikon and carrots, which act as a natural sweetener for the broth. The basis for a lot of my soup are charbroiled ginger and charbroiled onion. So in this case, I'm using 1-inch length ginger that's peeled along with 1 whole onion that's peeled. Charbroil them over an open flame like so until they're more or less black, and then flip them over and then set them aside. Now you're gonna parboil your pork spare ribs and then drain them and rinse them. The reason why I like to do this is because I like my broth to be super clean and clear, so make sure not to skip this step. I also like to add a bunch of cilantro stems to the broth just to give it a nice fragrant smell and taste to it. So you do that by removing the leaves and keeping the stems, and so you want just 1 handful of them like so. So in a pot, gather all of your broth ingredients. So that includes parboiled pork spare ribs along with the cilantro stems and charbroiled ginger and onion and your carrots and daikon. Add mushroom powder along with kosher salt. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to medium-low and let it simmer for an hour and a half, periodically skimming the scum as you go. Once you're done cooking, remove everything except for the pork spare ribs. You can skip this part, but again, I like my broth to be super clear and clean, so I will pour the broth through a sieve. Now I'm preparing the rest of the ingredients for the soup, which are carrots that are cut into a 1/4 inch thickness like so, and do the same with the daikon. What I love about this soup is that it's light and not heavy because you have a very clear broth. I love the pork spare ribs in it only because once you bite into it, it's super tender and just so delicious. You want to cook your pasta, which is macaroni pasta, 4 minutes shorter than the al dente time on the box. Drain the pasta and then add it to this broth along with the carrots and the daikon. Bring the broth to a boil, then reduce to a medium-low heat. Cover pot with lid and cook for 10 minutes. Now you're ready to serve. I love garnishing chopped green onions and chopped cilantro along with fried shallots and a pinch of black pepper. And there you go. What a nice hearty meal.